Ziggy, 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 zag. Ziggy, 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 zag, zag, zag. Giggles with Ziggy Zag.
Hi, Ziggy.
Hi, Zag.
Hello. I'm so bored. What should we do?
I don't know.
I know. Let's tell jokes. On what planet would you find the most trash?
I have no idea.
On planet Pluto. Get it?
I get it. My turn. Where do eagles do most of their shopping?
At the Eagle Mart?
No, silly. There is no such thing as the Eagle Mart. At the supermarket. Get it?
Ooh, I get it. My turn. Ziggy, I have a question for you.
Yes, what is it?
What is the height of stupidity?
I don't know. How tall are you?
Hey!
Why did the tennis coach give his team a lighter?
To burn themselves?
No, silly. Because they kept losing their matches.
Ooh, that's funny. Bye, Ziggy.
Bye, Zag.
See you later, alligator.
After a while, crocodile.
Soon, baboon. Bye.
Never ever miss out on an update from ToffeeTV.com. Subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell. ToffeeTV.com. For complete animated videos of songs and stories, subscribe to ToffeeTV.com today.